Hello. Today we will discuss with you the algebraic operations from sets. It is there in class 9 in SEBA, Advanced Math. In some other word in higher classes also. Algebraic operation set means there are more than one sets involved here. So first is the complement of set. Complement of set. No, complement of set is integrated with the universal set. If we consider some few sets, no, let's suppose A equal to 1, 2, B equal to 2, 3, 4, C equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is a set which is a superset of all these sets. You can have more sets also. Superset means these are proper subset of that set. Now we will consider another set which is superset of all these sets. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can have 7 also. In this case, this particular set is called universal set for the sets A, B and C, not for all the sets. What set we have considered? Because this is a proper subset of A is a proper subset of U, B is a proper subset of U, C is also a proper subset. All the elements of A should be here, B should be here, C should be here. This is called superset of the sets A, B and C. In this case, this is called universal set for all these proper subsets. Now, what are the elements of U are not in A? See, the element 1, 2 here. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the elements of U which are not in A. This is called complement of set A. Complement of set A, written as A complement or A to the power C also. Understood? What element of the universal set U are not in C? Similarly, we have B complement also. What element of U are not in B? 1, 5, 6, 7. Okay? We have complement of C also. What element of U are not in C? 1 is not there, 2 is not there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 not there. So this is called complement of set. Now see, you can have 5 complement also. You know 5 is a set with no element. 5 is a set which is called null set. It is a set with no element. So what element of U are not in 5? So all the elements of U are not in 5. So when you find 5 complement, what you will get? U. When you will get U complement, what you will get? What is the meaning of U complement? What element of U are not in U? All the elements of U are in U only. So you will get 5. So understood? This is little bit concept. More I will explain you when you will know more operations. So this is the complement of set. Okay. Next number 2 is union of sets. There are more properties I will discuss with you. First, number 2 is union of set. Union of sets. But you write the definition. The union of sets A and B is the set of every element which either belongs to A or to B or to both. Either in A or in B or in both. That is called union of sets. it is denoted as A capital U tile-like structure B. This is read as A union B. Let us take the example. Let A is a set with the elements A, B, C. B is a set with the element B, C, D, E. Union is the combination. Okay. When we combine both the set, we should not repeat the either in A or in B or in both. See, A is in A, it is not in B. But either in A should be there. E is in B, but E is not in A, but it will be in union. And common are also there. This is called A union B, union of sets A and B. In rule method, you can say A union B equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. See, or means X may be in B, may not be in B, not confirmed. Or means not confirmation. You can explain it with a Venn diagram also. See, this is suppose A and B. A and B. Everything of A and B, which is either in A, or in B, or either in A, or in B, or in both. This completely sided portion represents A union B. Understood? The element should be either in A or in B, or it may be in both common also. Then it is called A union B. Understood? You can have A union B union C also. How will you write it in rule method? X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B or X belongs to C. Or means union. Union or stands for union. Okay, this is the union of two sets. Now, next is number 3 is intersection of sets. Number 3 is the intersection of sets. First, write in definition. Intersection of sets A and B is the set of every element which are common to both A and B. Very simple, common. Should be common to only the elements will be which are belongs to both sets, A and B. See the example. Let A equal the cell element A, E, I, O, U. B is a set with the element I, O, U, V, W. So intersection is noted by A inverse U, B, which are common, okay, which are common to both. Understood? Very simple. It should be in A and in B, not or, and. In rule method, you can write it X belongs to A intersection B if and only if X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B, and means confirmation. Must be. You can explain it with the help of Venn diagram also. Venn diagram, let us consider two sets A and B. The common element of both A and B, this sided portion only. Only this sided portion represents A intersection B. Understood? Which are common to both A and B. Similarly, you can have the three sets common also. Okay, this is the intersection. Okay, next important is difference of sets. Write the definition. Difference of sets A and B is the set with the elements that belongs to A but does not belongs to B. Now see here, it should be in A but it should not be in B. See the example. Let A is a set with the elements A, B, C. B the set with the element B, C, D. Then we have A minus B. It is written as A minus B. Difference, just difference only A minus B. The element which are in A but not in B. See, B is in B, C is in B, but A is not there. Okay, what element of A are not in B? The element of A which are not in B, the set with that element only is called A minus B. Similarly, you can have B minus A also. How will you read it? The what element of B are not in A? B, C is here, but D is not here. Can you understood? What element of A are not in B is called A minus B. What element of B are not in A is called B minus A. What you understood? See, you know, difference of sets are not commutative. Difference of sets are not commutative. Okay. This example. Okay. Now you can understand more clearly with the help of Venn diagram also. This is A, this is B. So what element of what portion of A are not inside B? Understood? This shaded portion represents A minus B. The portion of A which are not in B. In rule method, how will you write? A minus B equal to X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. It is written as A minus B. Understood? Difference of sets are not commutative. We will explain it by rule method. We will explain by Venn diagram method. Then another definition is related here, which is called disjoint sets. Try to understand it. There is another point missed out, which is called disjoint set. Disjoint sets. If there are two sets A and B, and if A intersection B equal to 5, what is the meaning? A and B do not have any element common. Then A and B are called disjoint set. Disjoint sets. A and B are disjoint set on what condition? If A intersection B equal to 5. See, A, B. There is no common element in A and B. There is no common portion in A and B. Here A intersection B equal to what? You will get 5. So A and B are disjoint sets. Understood? So these are the set operations. Now, when we will combine all this property, so we can have some property also. What we will get? When we will study deeply all the definition and see the example, you will get A is a subset of A union B. You will get B is a proper subset, you can say. B is a proper subset of A union B. Number 3, what you will get? A minus B is a subset of A. Sometimes it is a proper, sometimes it is a, proper. Number 4, B minus A is a subset of B. This one. Number 5, what will get? A intersection B is a proper subset of A. This is proper subset. Also, A intersection B is a proper subset of B. We will see the Venn diagram. It will be very clear there. Some property regarding all these definition we can see. A minus A will what will write? Not 0 here, we will write 5 here. Okay. See, you will get A minus B equal to 5 on what condition? Try to find out. It will only possible if and only if A is a proper subset of B. You will get some more property you will get. See, this will help you to understand the things. A intersection A complement equal to 5. In the definition only you are given that. What element of you are not in A, that will be in A complement. So in A and A complement we will not get any element common. So that's why. Then A union A complement, when you will get A union A complement, we will get U. You will see the examples. When you obtain the definition of A and A complement, you will see the examples. Now you have the idea of difference of set also. So you can write U universal set minus A. What is the meaning? What element of U are not in A? What it is called? A complement. So you can have idea when you will get in the exercise, when you will do sum U minus A, you can use A complement. And this I told you, U complement equal to 5. This also I told you, 5 complement equal to U. Or number 14, A union 5 equal to what you will get? Read the definition, then you will get the idea. And A intersection 5, what you will get? 5. When you will do the example, you will see the example, you go to exercise, you will understand all this. So these are called algebraic operations on sets. So I think it is clear. These are the algebraic operations of sets. Understood all this? So these are the sets only.